Welcome to TruTear. This handheld, drop-free, drug-free device uses state-of-the-art technology called neurostimulation to help your eyes make more of your own natural tears. If you're over 22 years old and have dry eye from inadequate tear production, TruTear may be right for you. TruTear works by stimulating the nerve in your nasal cavity, located near the bridge of your nose, with gentle pulses of energy that send signals to the brain. When this happens, the brain is prompted to send signals to your tear glands. The tear glands react by temporarily making more of your own natural tears that include proteins and lipids. TruTear is easy to operate and comes with 4 parts: the tip, the base unit, the charger, and the cover. The 48-hour disposable tip contains a hydrogel material similar to the materials used in contact lenses. The tip is where the current is delivered, to the target tissue on the inside of the nose. The reusable base unit produces the neurostimulation and enables you to control the level of neurostimulation. The charger recharges the battery inside the base unit, and the reusable cover protects the tip. Start by removing the tip from the pouch. Then, grab the tip by the bottom to avoid touching the hydrogel. Next, snap the tip onto the base unit. You will see a notch on the bottom of the tip that will help you secure it. The tip only fits one way. Once the tip is on the base unit, press the plus button for 2 seconds. A single green light will appear to indicate it's on. TruTear has 5 levels of intensity that you can select from by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Each press of the plus button will increase your strength level by 1, and each press of the minus button will decrease your strength by 1. The base unit will briefly vibrate when either the plus or minus button is pressed, and blue lights will indicate what level you've selected. If it's your first time, start with level 2. Now it's time to use TruTear. Once the device is on and set to the appropriate level, you will not need to press or hold any additional buttons to start neurostimulation. While looking in a mirror, with the buttons facing your lips, gently guide the tip into your nose toward the bridge, where glasses would normally rest. When the tip is far enough into your nose, it's time to TruTear tilt. For effective use, tilt the tip away from your face to ensure the tip is inserted all the way to the top and front of the nose. You should feel a gentle, intermediate pulsing sensation. Hold this position for no more than a minute or until you can feel tears forming. Once you notice tears pooling in your eyes, that means you've successfully used the device. Your tears will only coat the surface of your eyes. Tears will not run down your face. If you feel slight resistance when inserting the tip, try inserting it into your nose on a more horizontal angle as far as is comfortable. Then, TruTear tilt. If it's your first time using TruTear, it may take a few tries to find the target tissue. If you don't experience a pulsing sensation, try increasing the strength 1 level at a time until you do feel the pulsing sensation. It's common that some patients may sneeze or experience a sneezing sensation. Remove the tip from your nose at any time if you feel uncomfortable. Remember, TruTear will automatically turn off after 1 minute, or you can turn it off by holding down the minus button for 2 seconds. Be sure to clean your device and tip after each use with an alcohol wipe. Do not allow others to use your device. Cover the tip when not in use. Use TruTear at least twice a day as needed. Remember, the tip should be replaced every 48 hours. Failure to replace the disposable tip will cause the hydrogel to dry out, and the TruTear device will not work properly. Remove the tip by rocking it. The disposable tip should disconnect easily. Keep track of how many tips you have and be sure to refill them as needed. Charge your device overnight so it's ready to go when you are. It should take less than 4 hours for the base unit to reach a full charge. A green light will appear when charging is complete. As you get comfortable using TruTear on your own, refer to this quick recap. Turn on the base unit and select your preferred strength level. Insert the tip toward the bridge of your nose. TruTear tilt. Hold until tears pool. remove to clean, and you're done. Now that you know how to properly use TrueTier, here are a few ways to get the most out of your device. You can track your device usage and battery level from your phone with the TrueTier app from the App Store. Once downloaded, follow the in-app instructions to set up an account and connect to your TrueTier. If you need a quick refresher, refer to the Quick Start Guide or the instructions for use found in your device kit, or look back to this video as needed. If you have any questions about TrueTier or how to refill your tips, be sure to contact your doctor or call 1-866-502-TIER.